Well, no Paul is over. So today video is going to be a 3-in-1. We have PUMZ to Spice defense. We have Spice putting out a statement, and then I have a mini clip of Shebada live, because he went live and was talking about the incident with Spice. If you don't know by now, you should all know by now that there was a mini clip when Spice was at Hot 97 performing, and she was dancing to Skin Out her pum pum, and you know it really ended up being Skin Out. So PUMZ is saying that we can ease up for Spice. It's enough now. Spice took to her story and she wrote, "Only thing left for me to do is post a picture of my kitty so haters can really see what it looks like, because it definitely ain't what you posting, but carry on SMH for Shape My Head." And I'm going to play the clip of Shebada dragging Spice, and I think a fan of Spice. Alright, so catch you guys in the next video.
You know why they must come over here and upset themselves? Come suck the wall away. Come suck with garlic in our pum pum so they can't infect way. The wall no come suck way, make we toe them curl, our eye them sing. Pinch daughter of the king. Me no mind our fans them come over here come and like turn them in a postman and post mistress. I want them tagger come I want enlighten our night. And not when I talk about the bitch a lie. Our crotch is ugly and dark and look sickening. Our crotches look like it a frat. It look like she belched through her pum pum. I want to not care about that. Tell her say it look like she belched through her crotches. I'm glad when you come. I never know some day I should come and have some deep things to talk about her pum pum. I have to say something nice about her crotches, that your mama tongue a drop out her hole. I not feel like crotches so pretty enough to change man and make them come on the borderline. Spice pum pum a tell body for go. Somebody say on a low Spice, why you not stuck her underneath your exchange passage? Remember me never skin out her foot as she do it on a spandex panty shield and stocking last. Yeah, me never seen it. Come over here, so go like say puppy chow dash over here, so underneath Spice turn can me with chicken fat. I'm still dark food, it's just that it's not upgrade. And a puppy chow. Lappy full of you there. You don't come and go on, you don't move, no nastiness. Knife and fat, no for eat with she, God believe me, that coming like fufu. It's an African dish, that's your hand. Someone have to use their hand. I'm all. now come and chat me. Move from here. Spice Pum Pum make me proud for shit. Now them say them hear your mouth. She be crease of fire mother. Me just have to talk with me, see, I'm never creative man. Look like Spice take my man, no, all of my man them the behind bars, that's why my crutches smell like grill. My crutches smell like grill. If I walk your ear, clum. Spice could I never take my man no like bitch, and my man no like lump. You understand? My man no like fat. We're having them own conversation. So when you say it look like Spice take my man, Spice cannot take my man. She like bulk syrup. You hear? Me like Carlsberg juice or Kisco. Me like things that fit me. It's like when I look around, me like my man them favorite spit so me can come out like sinus. So the sex can look slippery. You hear? And you ask me a batty man. My batty call more cocky than your old. How you feel? Eh? Elaine Thompson the behind me while Shakari in your vagina. Where you say? Oh, yes, I still vagina him have where them use the mouth or him throat. Anything when me cocky come up pum. Where you say out of your mouth now? And not my fault, you see the lump and the ditch and the puddle and Spice, so you not talk. You not talk. Me can use my pum and bend a needle. Can she do that? Where you say fat? Can slap it sad. Don't speak to me. Eh? Yeah, we're still saying your mouth again now. I'm loving us still and I'm like one of post mysteries, yeah. Yeah, she all a rasta, me have a rasta to from the ghetto where stink a gunpowder and weed and blue light and look fate. Yeah. When me not smell a grill, me smell a zinc fence. Everybody pum a work a while. We still not talk about what use, we are talk about we ugly. Beautification underneath we are talk about. Underneath we picturesque. I'm telling you, say me alone can't fight the whole of honor. Yeah, I'm not telling like pum for open up. The time when you come over here, call me Batty man, you never you say my Batty world with no spandex, tights, the panty shield, now not there. No stuff up in me.